Ancel sent me this BA101 battery tester, and they're asking me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. I've worked with one of these in the past. I've been familiar with this model. They haven't changed it. It's still the same functions. And this is what you're going to get sent to you. Comes with the clips already ready to go to clip on your battery. Get a charging cable here. It's got the old school USB style. It's like the USB mini, I think they called it, in order to charge it up. And it'll take a charge here on the side. It's got a charging port right there. Just plug that in. But basically, when you plug this onto your vehicle, you're going to see the power come up. It's going to take battery charge from the battery and activate the device. It'll light right up. We'll do a quick test on that here. So here's my Yukon. This battery looks like it was installed 3 years ago. It's a 730 cranking amps. That'll be important. We'll need to update that in the device. I'm going to plug, first I'll just put this to ground here. And then I'll go ahead and plug in. And then you'll see the device just lights right up. And we'll zoom in a little closer here so you can see the settings. Like that. So what we're going to do is let's do a battery in vehicle. We'll do a battery test. And then we're going to check and do these steps here. Turn the headlights on and off, kind of clear that out. And then tell it what kind of battery this is. This is a regular battery. And then we'll input the whole cranking amps. And that's what we'll use there. Remember, this was 730, so it's a pretty big battery. Right there, hit enter. And now we're running our test. These go pretty quick. And it says, yeah, got a good battery here. It's at 71% charge, 100% healthy. Right now it's pulling 2.45 volts with an internal resistance of 3.86. And it's rated for 730 amps. So this just gives you a feel for how quick and how easy it is to do a quick battery test with this device. I've had good luck with it in the past. It definitely will let you know if the health on a battery is getting old. So even if it's not charged, some might be a healthy battery, but if that health is getting old, then your ability to keep a good charge is going to be limited. So I definitely would recommend this Ancel BA101. Great device, so easy to use, really portable. Hope that helps. Have a great day.